Sir, they're waiting for a paper.
I am very happy to announce that the cabinet has decided to make Dharwad, which is known as a cultural capital of Karnataka, which has great contributions to the development of Karnataka, which is the one which has gave a call of integration of Karnataka. That Dharwad will be made a separate corporation. That is one. And the government has decided, and we have given administrative approval for increase of 15% of rates, ticket prices, to be enhanced, raised. And 15% is raised because of the deficit that the corporation was facing, all the corporations were facing. And with this increase, there will be some sort of a return of 74.84 crores every month. This increase will give 74.85 crores every month. This will try to reduce the losses that those nigams, corporations, were suffering. And this enhancement has come, particularly in Bangalore, BTS, after 10 years. And it is also to be made very clear that even in other nigams, the enhancement of rate was made 5 years back, when the rate of diesel was somewhere around 68 rupees. Now it is 90 plus. Such a situation, because of the diesel hike, because of the salary hike, etc., the government has given permission to increase the rate to 15%.
Applicable to all kind of buses, sir?
Pardon?
Applicable to all kind of buses?
Applicable to all gentlemen.
Sir, is this a clear effect of the Shakti scheme bearing a financial strain on the exchequer?
No, may I make it very clear? The salary component has raised from 12.5 to almost 18.9 crores, salary component. The diesel and other inventories, that will make a very big cost. And to balance that also, because the Shakti scheme, whatever the deficit, the major deficit will be supported by government, whatever support we give. That's why this is nothing to do with Shakti, but because of the diesel hike and because we did not raise our prices for last 5 years in all nigams, 10 years in Bangalore, and whatever we have now raised, that is 15%, this will not be more than what Telangana rates are, what Maharashtra rates are, what Andhra rates are.
Sir, it will be applicable to all, like luxury buses, buses?
This is uniform for all the buses, luxury, express and ordinary.
So when will it come into effect?
From 5th of January.
So any plans to take up the caste census issue in the next